Guys, good afternoon and happy Tuesday to all of you. And today I am craving of pakora. So now I'm gonna make pakora for our snacks. So I'm gonna make potato and onion pakora. So please join me. Say hi. Hi. She just taken a bath. In a bathtub, you're swimming, yeah? Bubble bath. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna make a pakora. So I have cubes of potato and a chopped of onion. So 1 potato and 1 onion. Okay, and we're gonna use gram flour. We're gonna use gram flour, or they call it basin flour, and they call it basin flour. Okay, finish what's in your mouth. Okay, sorry guys for the distraction. My daughter is here. Okay, anyway. So I'll show you. This is a gram flour or basin flour. We're gonna use that, and I'm gonna use a cumin powder. I'll show you the steps. So I have here, I have a bowl. You just put inside. Okay, you just have to estimate, guys. For me, I'm just doing estimation. And after this, we just add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. Okay. And 1 teaspoon of red chili. And just half teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of turmeric. And then just 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon. And on this, we're going to mix with water. Okay, first we mix it properly first. And then we can add our water. Then we mix it properly. Then add more water. See, as you can see, it's running smoothly. It runs smoothly, so this is perfect. So now, next steps, we have to add our chopped onion and potato cubes inside in the mixture. We have to mix all together. And then we have to mix it properly so it will be coated everything. We have to mix this very nicely. So now it's all mixed. So let's just sit aside just for 5 minutes before we fry it. So now let's start cooking our pakora. I have make the oil hot now. This is ready. So first we have to throw our pakora mixture. let's cook this first. Now, let's flip it over and cook the other side. My pakora is a quite little big, but this is okay. So now we have to cook the other side. And now, this is ready. So we remove this. Now my pakora is done, so let's do our plating. So I have here, ta-da! Can you see that, guys? So yummy. So now this is my dipping sauce. This is a mix of ketchup, tomato ketchup, and mayonnaise. So now let's taste. It's very crispy, see? This is very nice, guys. Yeah? Crunchy. You can have this. You can also serve this if you have guests coming over and serve like a starter. This is very perfect. It's nice. I really like this pakora. Pakora is very nice. Crunch. Sorry. It's crunchy. I love it. You can also do pakora of eggplant and also with cauliflower, and those chili we use for dynamite wrapper, that kind of chili, also the long ones, that also we can use for pakora. Not just onion and potato. So many vegetables you can use for pakora, but my favorite is just onion and potato mixed together. I love it. Yeah. You like it? Nice? That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy my simple snacks recipe. Until next time, bye!
Please like,